Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up file sharing on your Mac OS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up System Preferences down in our dock. So go ahead and left click on that to open it up. Now you want to select the sharing folder. Select where it says File Sharing. So just check mark inside of that. And now at this point you'll be able to share with different users on your computer or connected this IP address or connected this address up here. And then at this point you can click the little plus sign to add new shared folders or remove shared folders from the list. So again, very straightforward process, guys, on how to do that. And if you select the options button here, you can go ahead and select Windows File Sharing. So if you want to connect to a Windows computer, you can, but pretty straightforward process there, guys. You'd have to configure the SMB configuration too on the Windows end as well, but that would be a different tutorial. That would be on the Windows computer. But like I said, pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.